Mechanics tell me if I'm wrong. She blamed me when her car still ran rough after ignoring 2 years of oil changes. She said it just needed an oil change when I opened the drain plug and it drips like syrup.
Oh man.
There you see?
While I'm doing the work, she's standing over me and said,
After you changed my brakes, my car started to run rough, and it's misfiring. What did you do to my car?
I told her, you can't skip maintenance and expect miracles. She never did an oil change or tune-up. She blamed me like brakes had anything to do with misfiring. I almost didn't do the job, but I just wanted to prove a point. Just look at this oil. Now my question is, was this my fault? Do brakes have anything to do with car driving rough? Let the customer know in the comments.
Yeah.